Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. Argo Brewery is the oldest brewery in Iran, located in the center of Tehran. During the time of King Mohammad-Reza Pahlavi, in the city development plan, the factories had to be moved outside the city. Therefore, this brewery was closed at that time and moved outside of Tehran. For the past 50 years, the brewery building was abandoned until a construction company bought it and renovated it. The reconstruction of this building with a special architecture made its architectural design win an international award. But if you look carefully, the Argo Brewery is the first brewery that has been turned into an art exhibition. Isn't it interesting?